Pre, sa araw na yung kaarawan, inihanda namin ang cake na ito para sa iyo. Ito na, i-deliver ko na. Handa ka na ba? Ito na, nakikita mo na ako. Ayan, hindi lang ako mag-isa. Marami kami dito. Pakita mo nga ang ating mga kaibigan.
Happy birthday!
Ito na.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Hoy, hindi ikaw ang birthday ngayon. Mas ka dito. Alis!
Hi, Vic! Parang kailan teenager ka pa lang. Ngayon, senior citizen ka na.
And good thing, di ka pa rin nagbabago.
Mga jokes mo, parang kontrakto ng DPWH.
Nakakainis at nakaka-high blood. Cheers sa maraming taon ng kalokohan at pagkakaibigan.
Happy birthday!
Don't forget to drink your milk.
Mr. Vic! Balita ko. Nadagdagan na naman ng isang taon yung edad mo. Golden boy. Pero tinitingnan ko yung pictures ninyo ni Banji, parang kung tumanda kayo, paurong. So anyways, I wish you a happy birthday. 50th is a milestone, so congratulations. Prayer ko sa'yo, may God continue to shower you with wisdom sa iyong being head of the family, and I hope you continue to be a great father, a great husband, and I wish to see you again soon. So yeah, enjoy your day. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Mr. Vic. Pasensya ka na, hindi ako naka-attend sa celebration mo kasi nandito pa ako sa Bangkok. Basta, enjoy your day, enjoy your celebration. Wishing you all the best. Burgan boys forever. Okay? Here's to another 50 years, Mr. Vic. Cheers.
Hi, Vic. Welcome to the Big 5-0. Leveling up to the vintage status.
Hi Vic, kamusta na? Long time no see. Happy birthday. Welcome to the club, and I hope everything is well. We hope that the kids are doing well, the family is doing well. Sana masayang celebration mo, and we wish you all the best. And para sa mga nanonood, Vic was our previous housemate. Wala kaming masabi dyan kay Vic. Sobrang galing nila makisama. And until now, we treat them as great friends. And again, Vic, happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Enjoy.
Boss Vic, on behalf of Papawis Brothers, happy golden birthday sa'yo. And may you have more birthdays to come. Wish you good health, and may God bless you always. Papawis Brothers cares.
Happy 50th birthday, Vic. I hope you're enjoying your day. Minsan lang ang celebration ng 50th birthday, pero sana mas marami pang birthdays to come. I wish you good health, happiness, and peace. Ciao!
Hello, Brother Vic. Pare, happy birthday, happy 50th. It's a milestone na narating mo. Hoping lang pare, you're always healthy, and more blessings to your family. Enjoy your birthday, pare. Happy birthday.
Hello, Brother Vic. Happy 50th birthday. Hope you'll have an awesome and fun birthday celebration in the Philippines together with your family and friends. On behalf of our Pau basketball team, we wish you good health and more success in life. We'll see you soon. Thanks, brother.
Happy birthday, Vic! Idol! Happy birthday! Idol Samboy Lim!
you go, Daddy. Have your simple surprise. May all your dreams and aspirations come true. Happy birthday again.